everybody, I'm Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a 1-row buttonhole. So I'm using speckled tweed recycled yarn in the colorway Begonia, and I'm using 5mm knitting needles. So right now I just have a few rows of the garter stitch, which is just regular knit, and I'm going to teach you how to do a buttonhole in here. And I'm going to do it right around this area, and I'm going to have it about 3 stitches wide. So you can do any stitch length you want. So if your button is bigger, you could do 4 stitches. If it's smaller, you could do 2 stitches. So first you're going to just knit regular until you want to start your buttonhole. Okay, so I'm going to start mine right here. So now I'm going to cast off 3 stitches. So I'm going to knit 2. And then I'm going to pull the second one down on your hook. Pull that right over the top one, leaving the top one on the needle, just like you'd regularly cast off. And then gonna knit 1 more. Same thing. Cast off 1, so pull that right over the top. And then knit 1 more. And pull that one over the top. And then you're just gonna knit the rest of the way down the row. So when you get to the end of your row, you'll notice there's a hole here because this is where we casted off the 3 stitches. And now you're going to knit regularly again until you get to the hole. Okay, so now, since we casted off 3 stitches here, we have to cast 3 stitches back on. So using your right needle, you're going to take the yarn, wrap it around your thumb like that, insert your needle in there, and then pull it, and you're going to do 3 of these. If you decide to do a 2-stitch buttonhole, then only cast on 2 stitches. And then you're going to knit the rest that was left on the left-hand needle. Okay, so now the next row, just gonna knit regular again. Okay, so there you have it. There's a buttonhole. So thank you for watching this video.